So why he is silent and External Affairs Minister should take help of our Prime Minister to get back these picky people to Karnataka. Naddaji, what is your comment on PSI scam where 300 crore rupees were looted by Higher Education Minister? Naddaji, what is your comment on land grab scam where 400 crore rupees worth of land was stolen by BJP Minister? Naddaji, what is your scam on COVID scam where Health Minister Mr. Sudhakar looted 2200 crore? Naddaji, what is your comment on sex for job scam? Naddaji, what is your comment on Raghavendra Bank scam? Naddaji, what is your comment on food kit scam? Naddaji, what is your comment on Bitcoin scam? Naddaji, what is your comment on egg scam? Naddaji, what is your comment on Vijayendra scam? Naddaji, what is your comment on bank loan scam? Whenever there is a question on the pride of Kannadigas, you will find 40% Commission Sarkara absent. Because their presence is only how to collect 40% commission. They think about all these things only. Whenever there is a question on the pride of Kannadigas, 26 BJP MPs in Lok Sabha from Karnataka, you will find them absent. And I am surprised some of them will talk how to damage the pride. And I will give you 4 examples of last 10 days. Maharashtra government allocated budget for the health insurance scheme for 865 villages of Karnataka, 40% Commission Sarkara absent. No comment. 26 BJP MPs, no comment. KMF's brand Nandini was under attack. Karnataka BJP MPs and the 40% Commission Sarkara wants to damage that. They are giving arguments how to damage this. CRPF 1.3 lakh vacancies, exams for the constables to be answered only in Hindi and English. You are taking the right of a Kannadiga to serve the country as a constable in CRPF. You will find silence, complete silence by 40% Commission Sarkar. None of 26 MPs is making any statement. And now, when 31 Haki-Piki people are there stuck in Sudan, there is complete silence once again. And not only this, when we are raising the question of their safe evacuation and how to bring them back, and we know Prime Minister had a adbhut ability that he can take the aircraft between the clouds and that can't be tracked in the radar. That is what we heard from him. We just now my colleague Professor Gowda had shown you that he is having ability to stop the Russia-Ukraine war. Why he can't stop this war for 4 hours and get these people back to Karnataka? Why? And when we are raising this issue, the External Affairs Minister, I thought a responsive External Affairs Minister has to react that this is my plan to bring them back. He had started a Twitter, he acting like a Twitter troll. Sir, you are an External Affairs Minister of our country. Don't react like a troll. We expect a complete process that how you are going to bring them back. By what time these Haki-Piki people are going to be back to Karnataka. We are expecting these deadlines and dates. You responded as a troll. So we want, in a comprehensive manner, that Prime Minister who had adbhut abilities to stop the wars, to take the fighter jet behind the clouds so that it can't be tracked by radars. He had diffused all the principles of physics and science. So why he is silent and External Affairs Minister should take help of our Prime Minister to get back these Haki-Piki people to Karnataka? Naddaji, what is your comment on PSI scam where 300 crore rupees were looted by Higher Education Minister? Nadda ji, what is your comment on land grab scam where 400 crore rupees worth of land was stolen by BJP minister? Nadda ji, what is your scam on COVID scam where health minister Mr. Sudhakar looted 2200 crore? Nadda ji, what is your comment on sex for job scam? Nadda ji, what is your comment on Raghavendra Bank scam? Nadda ji, what is your comment on food kit scam? Nadda ji, what is your comment on Bitcoin scam? Nadda ji, what is your comment on egg scam? Nadda ji, what is your comment on Vijayendra scam? Nadda ji, what is your comment on bank loan scam? And the list is endless.
नेशनल दस्तक की आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर इसको बचाना चाहते हैं तो नेशनल दस्तक को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं, फिर बेल आइकन की घंटी दबाएं। नेशनल दस्तक को बचाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हर खबर को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट जरूर करें।